Find the farm animal. The farm is big and full of fun creatures. Can you help me find the different farm animals? Where's the cow? Great job! You found the cow. Where's the chicken? Good job again! You found the chicken. Where is the sheep? Good work finding the sheep. Where's the rabbit? Good job! You found the rabbit. Where's the pig? Great job! You found the pig. Where's the dog? Good job! You found the dog. Where's the goat? Great job! You found the goat. Where's the frog? Good job! You found the frog. Where's the duck? Good job finding the duck. Last one. Where's the horse? Great job! You found the horse. Look at how full our farm is. Thanks for your help finding all the animals. And thanks for watching.